Hi everyone, Dr. Sylvestre here. So the exploratory laparotomy I felt was an important virtual workshop to put out there. The exploratory laparotomy is one of those surgeries that many veterinarians are not utilizing in its full capacity. So the XLAP is not about going in and seeing if we can find the problem. The XLAP is about going in and finding the solution to the problem. You should never come out of an XLAP empty-handed. The information you give to the owners after surgery should never be, it was a negative exploratory. No, they're always positive, and I will show you how to get there. But that's why I created the XLAP workshop, is because I would keep on hearing owners tell me, well, the dog had an XLAP and it was negative, nothing was found. The XLAP always brings you closer to the answer that you're looking for, always.